Just stopping by to say good morning. Svedi Pie, say hi. Thank you. Good morning. You got anything? Hi, baby bird. And over here we have Miss ZaZa waking up to her morning scratches. Oh yeah, gotta have those scratches. Oh yeah. She's a good girl. She's a good girl. Yes, she is. She's like a baby. And over here, I think she may have had a third egg last night. Let's see. Oh yeah, 3 of them. Don't think they're fertilized, but babies nonetheless. All right, thank you for the pretty babies. That's very nice. Pretty eggs. Pretty eggs. Svedi Pie. You getting some nummy waters? Nummy waters? Yeah? Nummies? Baby. Good boy. He's a good boy. Hi. Hi. Want to talk to me? Good morning. Say hi. I'm Baby Bird. You don't want to sing for us? Maybe in a little while? You wet your whistle. You don't want to sing? It's a pretty morning. All right. Good boy.